Okay, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Can you all hear me? Okay, good morning. Hi, Cho. Hi, Teo. I'm just testing out this new platform. Good to see everyone here. Today, I try something new. I instead of just posting up to everywhere, I'm just posting up to my page. Okay. So, good morning. Hi, Eric. Lawrence. Good to see you. Hi, Lawrence. Hi, Bobby, Wendy, Alex, Shelly. Wow, Gipo warded in SGH Hotel. Wow. Okay. Take care. Okay. Hi, Keith, Michael. Okay, good to see everyone here. I will just start. I think the rest are coming because now I only post in my Facebook page. I think maybe later part then you'll watch this. Watch this. Okay, Michael, Hajini, David, and Roland. Okay, good to see everyone here. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's get started and then we wait for the rest. Okay, because I think Sunday morning, who want to be awake, talk about the market. Okay. Okay. But I'll share with you all that I enjoy doing this. Okay, so anyway, yeah, okay. So first thing first is today I want to share with you all how recession and bear market. Okay, by now you all know that we may be going to recession. Yes or no? Okay. In fact, US already declared officially, right? In February, they started the recession already. Okay. So they already mentioned that they started recession already. Singapore, I think it's only a matter of time that we will go into recession. Okay. So yeah. So the question is, how do we benefit from this market that when we go into recession, how do we benefit from it? You see, for me, I like to study like history. I like to study what happened in the past, like during the crisis time, like in global financial crisis before the big crash, right? What happened, and even in .com, right? What happened? And I tell you the signs are so obvious and it's just repeat and repeat and repeat over and over and over again. So it's really something interesting. Okay, so yeah, so let me get started. Whatever I share with you all here is for education purpose because today I do a lot of slides. Okay, it's better do this properly. It's for education purpose. It's not advice to buy and sell. Okay, type yes if you agree. Okay, this is not advice to buy and sell. Please type yes or give me a thumbs up if you agree. Okay. Okay, good. Let me get started. Okay, so let me share with you what happened right now in the market. And for entertainment purpose, yes, it's also for entertainment purpose. It's nothing. It's not advice at all. Okay, it's just chit chat, coffee shop talk, and uh, please do your homework. And yes, it's for entertainment purpose. Anyway, we are doing on Sunday morning, right? Okay. Because I was thinking how to do webinar because frankly I'm very busy. I have like almost every night, right? I have something on. Okay, almost every night I have something on. So usually you all can do it at night, right? But for me, my nights are mostly all packed up already. So I think maybe Sunday will be good. Maybe Sunday is good, but maybe Sunday is not good also. Okay, because there's nobody awake. Okay, on Sunday. Okay. Everyone say, hey, must go church. Never mind, go church Saturday. Okay, and then Sunday we do this. Okay. We have church Saturday night, Saturday also. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so it's always good to study history. Okay, if you want to really learn about now, like how to benefit now, really good to go back to like '07 or year 2000. Year 2000 is a bit more challenging because then the internet is not so, yeah, there is that, but they don't have so much data. Okay, so much data. So but I think the psychology is the same. I was there in during the 2000. Okay, when the market was down. Also, I was around. Okay, and I also looking at the market then, but the impact is greater for me in 2007 because then I was already a remiser. I was already a remiser. So I can really feel like, the greed and the fear of people. Okay, okay, can really feel the greed and fear of people, and also because I was a reminder, like thousand over clients, like all trading, right? So I can see that the behavior lah. Even this is almost like 2007, yeah, 8 like that. Okay, so this period, right, can see already what's happening in the market. Okay, so Sunday is good. Okay, so let's get started. So let's go back to history. Let's go back to history first. In 2007, all these are 2007 news. Okay, and you can see, right, the way they lay out the website is very different. It's very squeezed into one part. Okay, now I think it's more friendly lah. But during the '07, right, everything is very squeezed to one part. Okay, so first thing first, you can see, right, does Dow Jones has a second worst fear. This is in August 2007 when this news was out. Okay, August 2007, this news was out, and credit sent stocks tumbling. Okay, biggest one-day loss since February. Okay, bond surge, and then this is the news in August. Remember, August 2007. AIG, okay, our insurance company, one of the largest in the world, warned that mortgage delinquency spreading from subprime to prime. Okay, there was already the subprime already. Okay, now but it's now spreading to the prime. By now you all know the subprime and prime, right? I assume you all do that, right? Okay. The company also reported higher than expected earning, but the share price was down. Okay, lost about 2.5%. Okay, but recovered from lows. Okay, so this is in August 2007. Okay, good morning. Okay, August 2007. Okay, but after that, what happened in September, right? The Fed cut rates. The Fed cut a half a percentage point of rates. Okay, from 4.5, they cut rates. Okay, so after they cut rates, what happened to the stock market? The stock market went, what do you think? Went up or down? After it cut rates, the stock market went up. Okay, the stock market went up. Okay, the stock market went up. Okay, this slides I only did this morning only. Okay, so maybe just skip one slide first. Okay, let's do this here. Okay, so after this is in August. Can you see here? This is August. Can you see my pointer? Let me see, can see a point. Oh yeah, can see August is here. Yes or no? The first drop. Okay. After it dropped, what happened to the market? The S&P 500, it rallied. Okay, it rallied so much that it recovered all the losses during the subprime. Can y'all see that? Okay, subprime already here, right? We have these big losses already. Announcement, AIG say, we have a fear, the previous news, right? Okay, we have this, they have this flight to quality, this subprime is spreading already. Okay, this is August. But after the cut rate, the market rallied and recovered all the losses. All the losses was recovered. In fact, this point here was actually higher than before they announced that, hey, there's something wrong with the subprime. Do you all follow what I'm saying? It recovered and surpassed that level. Okay, and this is S&P 500 in October. After the news was announced, it surpasses that high. Okay, Isn't that interesting? Okay, we already know that this is going to be challenging already. Okay, and after the Fed cut rates, right, the market rallied, but not only it rallied beyond. Okay, after the announcement of the primes and things like that. Okay, so that is the that's the key. Okay, so just remember this. So this part. Okay. Hey, by the way, can you all give me thumbs up or like so that more people can know about this? Okay. So isn't that amazing? Okay, if your thing is interesting, can you all type interesting? Okay, interesting, because after this news, right, and after Fed cut rate, right, the market rallied. Okay, the market rallied to new high. You already know that this is going to have a subprime, but market still rallied. Okay, so isn't that interesting? Okay, so okay, so by the way, from here to here, right? Thank you. From July to October, July, you have the news, right? The market came down, right? In August, right? The biggest drop, right? And until October is another how many months? October, 3 months, 3 months already, 3 months you already know that there is this subprime thing happening, yes or no? You already got this subprime thing happening. But even though in the middle, the Fed cut rates, yes or no? The Fed cut rates, everybody got excited. Okay, there are still some other pieces of news below. Okay, later I'll show you. Okay, but I want to give you one clue first. The first clue is like that. Okay, the first clue is how to know market top. How many want to know? How many want to know when the market is top? I took some 重要 my throat. How many want to know when the or clue when to know the market is topping? More objective way, not the news. Reading news cannot help lah. Yes or not? Reading news, got news, got bad news, got good news, got bad news. You don't know when is the top. Yes or not? But I'll show you technically, how to know whether we are still on an uptrend. Okay, of course, the uptrend can continue to go up higher and higher and higher. Human is just illogical. Okay, like you know that it's got tiger there. You still want to, but tiger there still got some meat there. I want to take the meat. Okay, okay, people still have this kind of feeling. Okay, so how do you know that it's uptrend, and how do you know that it's really too dangerous already? Let's run. Okay, so we have this. This is S&P 500. This is S&P 500. Okay, and then below here we have what we call the ATR. Okay, ATR. Let me explain what is ATR for people who don't know what's ATR. ATR, what it means is called what is it? It's called the average true range. Okay, to put it simply, right? Average true range is like the how to put it simply? It's like the range of the move. Okay, the range of the move, the range of the S&P 500. S&P 500 is like the index. Okay, so the range of the move as it goes to the top, right? As it goes to the top. By the way, this is the top. Okay, this here, right, is the 2007. Is the top of the market already. It's the top of the market already. Okay, after this, right, the market came down. Okay, after that the market came down. So how to know? One of the key is actually the range of the move. Okay, the range of the move. As it goes higher and higher, if it's uptrend, right, it's going up higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low. But the range of down and up is small. Okay, even if it goes up, right, like example, he go down here. When it go up, the range becomes smaller. It's like climbing. Okay, like climbing slowly lah. Okay, but in the last part of the market, right, it's not climbing. It's not like surging. Okay, it's more like surging. Okay, so then what happened is it goes down big and it goes up big also. Okay, so that is one of the clue. Can you see this ATR from 2004 all the way somewhere to March or even July, right? It's within this range. Okay, within this range from here to here. It's within this range. Yes or no? But from July onwards, you see the ATR, right? The average true range surges. But this is when the July it start to plunge. Okay, when it starts to plunge. And then after it plunged, right, it didn't go back to the norm. Okay, it didn't go back to the norm. But because of this rally, the ATR continued to surge higher and higher. Okay, so this is already one clue. Okay, why is it that at the market top, right? At the market top, the ATR will surge. It's because there is a lot of change of hand. There's a lot of change of hand from, you see, along this way, there's money change hand. Okay, there's retail, there's investor, retail and institution, retail and institution. They change hand, but the change of hand is not so much. Okay, if let's say the institution fee is going up, they continue to they buy. Okay, then as the price go up, the retail come in and buy. The market goes up, but the retail will sell. Okay, will sell, and then the institution will continue to buy up higher and higher price. So the retail or the traders will get in and out, get in and out, but the investor will continue to hang on to the position. But at the peak, right, it's different. At the peak, when it surge, right, and people get all excited. Okay, people get excited. So there is a lot of change of ownership of stock. Okay, so at the peak, right, when it goes down a lot is when everybody throw. Okay, when everybody throw. Okay, but when it goes up again, there's a lot of change of hand. That means the institution selling, the retail buying. There's a lot of change of hand. And because why got this kind of surge is because a lot of time when this kind of surge is when the new participant, people who are not new to the market. I think by now you have read, right? No, those Robin Hood retail investors and things that they are millennial. Maybe they haven't seen the crisis yet. They will come in and buy also. Okay, so they will actually cause the price to surge a lot. Okay, the price to surge a lot. And so bottom line is there's a lot of change of hands. Okay. So I want to share with you all this thing. Okay. So first thing, the clue is ATR. Okay, look at ATR. ATR will increase. Okay. So so later part, your homework is to go back and look at the ATR of S&P 500 right now. Okay. So next thing is I want to share with your AIG chart. Okay, remember we talked about AIG just now? Okay, this is AIG, right? Okay, AIG just now. This is AIG in July. Okay, somewhere in July, the price came down. Okay, the price came down. Okay, but after it came down, in October, it never recovered above the high. Okay, think about it. S&P recovered the high. Yes or no? S&P cleared the high. Okay, but for AIG, it didn't clear the high. Okay, somewhere in this was the beginning of subprime, and then after that, when the Fed cut interest rate, they rallied, but they didn't clear the high. In fact, they are like maybe 50-60% above the high. So far, y'all see that? Okay, this AIG. Okay, it didn't clear the high, and then after that, what happened? You all know what happened after that? How many want to know what happened after that? Okay, after that, what happened is the market from somewhere in October, this is October, okay, and from the peak of July all the way to October, finally, somewhere in March, right, it dropped 99.6%. 99.6%. Okay. No, it's different. It's different. ATR is different from moving average. Okay, moving average is the average of the price. ATR is basically measuring the movement of the candles. Oh, let's say example 14 ATR means 14 candles, then divide the average range. Okay, can you all see that AIG dropped how many percent? 99.6%. I'm trying to go to the lowest point. Hey, where's the lowest point? That's the lowest point. 96.6%. Okay. So give you all some context. Okay. This is if something goes wrong. Okay. Think about it. AIG is a brand name in then. You follow what I'm saying? It's a brand name. Even now, it's a brand name. But AIG during then is 1,000. What, $300 around there? It ends up to become, I don't know how much, dollar plus. Okay, that is the move of down. Do you follow what I'm saying? That is the move if something goes wrong. Okay, just to share with you all some context. Okay, so whatever I share with you all is for education purpose. Okay, it's not advice to buy and sell. Please do your homework. Okay. So this is AIG after that. Okay, eventually it dropped from 1,000 close to 1,003. Okay, to I think it's a dollar plus. Eventually it went down to about dollar plus. I think so. Okay. And then it consolidated. Okay, so right now let's talk about because this one haven't consolidated. Okay, so eventually it dropped to dollar plus, but it consolidated. Okay, that's why it didn't look like a dollar plus, but actually it didn't go to 1,003. Do you all follow what I'm saying? It didn't go to 1,003. It's like maybe 100 to 1 consolidation or what. I don't know numbers, but because they consolidate already, you must add up the number again. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, you must add up the number again. So it didn't go to 1,003 because, you know what I'm talking about? Because it consolidated. Maybe 100 to 1 or 10 to 1. That's why it's like that. Okay, because I remember AIG really dropped to a dollar plus, but here don't look like a dollar plus. But because it's consolidated, so you got to add up the shares again or multiply the shares again. Okay, so right now let's take a look at I think let's take a look at the airlines. Okay, let's take a look at airlines. Okay, so think about it. The airlines, the peak is actually higher. Okay, in one night. Okay, then United Airlines actually after that fall through a cliff. Can you see? Boom, drop. Okay, this is together with the same with the COVID. Okay, same with the COVID. Okay, drop a lot. Okay, and then after that it recovered. Okay, recovered. Okay, so for SMT graduates, you know what we're talking about, right? The trend and things like that. So it recovered. Okay, this is what's happening to United Airlines right now. Okay, so this is another one, Delta Airlines. Okay, the peak was actually not in February. Okay, the peak was somewhere in August, and then after that in February, this is in February where it dropped. Not recorded. This is not recorded. Need to record. I think we'll be on Facebook Live later. Okay, on Facebook Live later. Okay, so the airline, right? Okay, then Delta Airlines, okay, came down after the peak is actually not in February. The peak was actually higher. Okay, so after that it dropped, and then from here it recovered around maybe 30%. Okay, around 30% level. Okay, and then same thing for Carnival. Okay, the after the February it had a steep drop and recover. Okay, so for SMT graduate, you know what is impulsive? Like very impulsive move. Okay, and then you see what is corrective. This is a corrective move. Okay, this is a corrective move. This is an impulsive move. Okay, this one is corrective, but this one not impulsive versus this move. Can y'all see? Can y'all see? This is impulsive. Okay, and this is corrective. Okay, this is impulsive. And versus this is corrective. Impulsive means big push up. Corrective means over push already, correction. Okay, so that is the correction. Okay, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective. Okay, Southwest also the same thing, impulsive, okay, corrective. Okay, so that is where we are at right now. Okay, how to trade? I won't tell you all. Okay, you all need to find out how to trade this. Okay, but please don't take my advice and go and trade anyhow trade. Okay, that is the wrong thing to do. Just education. Okay. Yeah. So just now I go back again. Go back. By the way, you have any question? Feel free to ask me. Okay. Give me like or share this post or something like that. Okay, so that other people can benefit from it. Okay. So go back again to the some context, right, of Fed cutting rates. Okay, so it cut rates, and then after that the market rally. Okay, the market rally. Okay, you can actually see how human behave. Okay, can you see here? he said that the Wall Street are cheering. The Wall Street are cheering because it proved that Fed is willing to take any move necessary to ensure that the economy will not be derailed by the problem of the subprime market. Loans made to consumer with less than perfect credit. Can you see what's happening? Can you see what's happening? Okay, my English not very good but it is like the Wall Street is cheering that the rate cut, cheering the rate cut because it proved that Fed is willing to take any move necessary. No matter what happens, Fed will come in and ensure that the economy will not be derailed by the problem from the subprime. Okay, we are having champagne and cookies. Are you having champagne and cookies? Okay, this is not a magical, don't know how to pronounce, okay, but it's a big step in the right direction to keep the economy growing. Okay, the Fed is sending a strong message that it won't be behind the curve. Hello, this is in September 1, before the crash, right? Okay. And then right now in 08, right? In 07. By now you all know that there was the peak, right? Look at the 07 news. Okay. People ask, what is the best advice for a fresher to start investing in stock? Okay, this one, paralytic mixed living from the stock market, September 2007. Oh, by the way, I don't know what is the amount because it's in India currency. Okay, how to pick penny stocks like millionaire, okay, and things like that. Okay, so you can see that thing. Okay, and I also read that during then is when in 2007 is when E-Trade came to Singapore. Also, okay, so that is when E-Trade came to Singapore. So that is excitement. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, sorry, this one move forward. Okay. So the next question in 2007 is, does retail move the market? Okay, like retail trade move the market. It's a link. Okay. Maybe later I put up the link. Okay. It's a white paper lah. They did this research, right? That does retail trades move the market? Okay, like small boys move the market. We conclude that over short and long term horizon, okay, the retail blah blah blah. Okay, retail on a day basis, right? On a short horizon, it may move in the direction of the trade, but over a long horizon, the retail only move prices of small stocks. Okay, prices of stock in the direction. Okay, so you understand that retail only move direction of stock over long term. They have no bearing for big stocks. Okay, small stocks also no good lah. Okay, by the time maybe it's time to short them. Okay, so that is the conclusion of their papers. Okay, that's the recursion of papers. Okay, last one I want to show you all is very short. Okay, I want to show you all that was happening to Russell. Okay, Russell, this is Russell index, Russell ETF. Okay, this is what's happening to Russell. Okay, so hopefully you all can see some light. Okay, what is happening now? I'm not saying that market will tank. Okay, I'm not God. Okay, but I will definitely trade it. Okay, I will definitely make money from it. Okay, trade it. And the best part is got a lot of time one. Okay, it's not something that is no time. Okay, there's a lot of opportunity, a lot of time to trade. Okay, even go slow, right, and still be profitable. Okay, can you all see that? Okay, you can even go slowly and still be profitable. You don't need to actually rush into the market. Okay. The fund flow for institution cannot, but maybe can go to like the Groove Focus or Dinorama to see what are they selling or buying. Okay, some of them are very obvious one. Okay, like they cut loss. Okay, some of the big boys they cut loss. So when they buy at high and they cut loss at low. So you see, if you're, let's say a big boy investor, okay, and you can have holding power, okay, why will you buy and cut loss? Do you follow what I'm saying? Why will you buy and cut loss? Okay, so you can see from, maybe I show you, right? You can see from here. Oh, by the way, can you all do this for me, please? If you all benefited, help to donate some money to the less fortunate. Okay, I'll post up this link. $5, $10, whatever dollar. I appreciate. Okay, so if you all can put it more, of course, even better. Okay, so go to this site. Okay, and help me to donate. This is actually for not for me. It does directly goes to them. I don't touch the money at all. It's to touch community services, and I feel that how to change the world. If you want to change the world, it's really to affect or impact the children. Okay, to impact the children. So this one goes to the touch young arrow from children from young low income families. Okay, yeah. So please do donate generously. Okay, donate generously to them. Okay, okay. So let's share with you all how to see how to see whether they are selling or buying. Okay, so you can go to real time. Okay, so this is a pretty real time already lah. This is in June, right? Okay, will donate actually will donate and make money. Maybe it's the other way around. Donate already then make money, not make money already then donate. Okay, sometimes it's like that. Okay, world is very cute one. Okay, it is not the other way around. Okay. Okay, so okay, yeah, be more prepared. Anyway, at the end of the day, is the AIG drop lah. Okay, it dropped a lot lah. Okay, so that's the key. Okay, it dropped a lot. Okay, so next is, can you all see that these are the trade? Okay. Anyway, the AIG one can just Google and find out what's the big problem. I don't understand. Just Google and find out what's the consolidation, how much it consolidated. Okay. Okay. So anyway, right? So here is where you can see all the trades. Okay, like example, this is Berkshire. Okay, Berkshire South Delta West Southwest. Bank of New York. Okay, so the banks. This one I think you all know, right? This one cut loss. Okay, you see, he cut icon. He bought at $11. Okay, $11. He cut loss at 72 cents. 72 cents. Okay, cut loss at 72 cents. Okay, so that is the context. Okay, the context of the cut loss. Okay, so and then from here all the different trades. Okay, so you can look at this. Okay, what they buy and sell. But don't. Up to you to follow. Okay, so this is over the last 6 months. You can also go into the individual. Okay, you can go to the individual and see what they are doing. Okay, like a lot of people were saying about Warren Buffett, right? He's very dumb, that even the retail investor can make more and things like that. Okay, then you see what are they doing. Okay, so this is not the so from here you can see this is JP Morgan. You can click in and then you can see the last 3 months, the buy and sell. Okay, and what is the reported. This is not the latest. Okay, this is not the latest, but I think good enough. Okay, got it. Okay, so this is what you can see from here. Okay, any question? Any question? If not, then it'll be a short one. Okay, so no question, then it'll be a short training session. Okay, I hope this is useful. Donate if you can. Okay, and that's it. Okay, any other question, please like. And the website is Data Roma, or you can use Guru Focus. okay, or you can use Guru Focus. For Singapore one, you all know, right, where to see all the fund flows? Actually, it's a proxy lah. It's a proxy, okay? Because it's a proxy, okay, for this, okay? Like what is happening in 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 the world, okay? You can actually look at it over here, okay? This is actually the fund flow for SGX. Got it? Okay, so go and look through them, and then once you look through them, you really have open your eyes one. Okay, it's really open your eyes one. Okay, so I go and research. Everything I feed also no point, right? Okay, so you all go and research and find out what is the fund flow. You go through each and every one of the PDF. Go to each and every of the PDF, then you know the story, what's happening. Okay, so okay. Does the Q2 have impact in the movement of the market? I don't know, I don't know. Okay. Actually, frankly, I don't predict lah. Don't try not predict. Just trade lah. Okay, so easy, right? No need to predict lah. Just trade lah. Okay, see whatever things and just trade whatever things. Okay, so that is the easiest. Okay, does impact in the? I think there is already. Okay, I think by now you all know, right? There is some impact in the market already. Like example, what's that? Starbucks, right? Starbucks came out with the report, and things like that, right? You already know, right? This kind of news. Okay, Starbucks is a stock that we will do. We will short, right? Okay, not long, okay. Use strategy GPS, okay. You all know, right? Bearish mode. Daily charts. Okay, this is daily charts. Okay, but you see the weekly charts. Bearish mode. Yes or no? Correct? Okay. Do you think the president will prevent the market from crashing? Wow, I don't think so. Okay. Who can prevent the market from falling? Okay. In fact, do you think that Trump, right? Do you think that Trump is the bankers like Trump or don't like Trump? What do you think? Hey, you all type in. Okay. You all think bankers like Trump or don't like Trump? Some lah, not all, right? Okay. Why are retail investors rushing in to buy stocks that are failing? Because they are new. Okay. Because they are new, that's why all the penny stocks are very exciting for them. Do you follow what I'm saying? All the penny stock become very exciting for them. Okay. So that is the reason why it is like that. Okay. So this is the short-term daily charts. This is the long-term weekly charts. Weekly charts down. Okay. So be smart lah. Don't touch this kind of stocks. Okay. Okay. So that is the key. Okay. This is the key. Okay. So y'all can see the comment or not? I don't know whether you can see the comment. Okay. Why are retail investor coming in? It's because this retail investor also got different kind of retail investor. Okay. So there is the retail investor that got in all the way in the beginning. That means like me, I'm also like retail investor, crowd. We are all retail investors. Okay. But the retail investor we are talking about here is not the we are all retail investor, crowd. But the retail investor here, we are not talking about the retail investor. We're talking about people who are the millennials. They are the people who never opened account before, then during subprime, during this lockdown, right? They got nothing to do. Then they open up the... Recently, I read this day streamer, okay? Like stock trading streamer. Well, suddenly become very popular. Okay? So all these people then go and open up account and go and trade. Okay? saying that it does not mean, right, that market will crash. Okay, you see and trade. Okay, people can get irrational one. Okay, people can get irrational. Okay, do I see something now? I see something now lah. Okay, but I won't tell you all lah. Okay, so that the graduates will know, right? Every week we do a webinar. Okay, every week we do a webinar, and I think you'll be guided. Yes or no? Okay, so in general, right? In general, I think US dollar will usually be strong when everybody is fearful. Usually it's like that. Okay, US dollar will usually be strong. But if you ask me, what is better than US dollar is Sing dollar lah. Okay, because you spend everything in Sing dollar, right, crowd. So you should keep in Sing dollar. Okay, so yeah. By the way, thanks for doing this. If you recommend SMT, right, please type SMT. Okay, this is like advertisement. Hey, by the way, there's one. Who is that? Jun Yao, right? He's doing a live event, right? For the group. Okay. Should you have more swing trade than position trade going forward? If you do the screener, right, you will know that there are less and less stocks to trade. Yes or no? Like yesterday or the day before. Oh no, yesterday I do NYSE, I do Nasdaq, nothing to trade. All never clear 6-month high, right? So nothing to trade. Okay. So that so suddenly so many. Okay. So thanks for doing that. Okay. So yeah, so you can see, right, if you do yesterday Nasdaq, nothing to trade. Yes or no? A lot of stocks didn't clear 6-month high. Okay, a lot of clear 6-month high. Those stocks that are up there one, okay, all these stocks, even though got trader GPS signal, daily charts, you know the mood is bearish one, cannot trade. Okay, so I will say if you want, can look at some swing, but short is always speculative. It's always speculative. Okay, so just remember that. Okay, yesterday, yes. Okay, so yeah. Any question? Okay, I think the takeaway is very simple. The takeaway is number one is currently, if you see the market, right, people are not buying. Okay, I'm talking about people that are the in the know one, they are not buying. They're not buying. Okay, they're not buying. You can also check from here. This is very obvious. Okay, go and do your homework. Go to this SGX research data report. Okay, you go and see the institution flow versus the retail flow. Okay, what is the institution flow versus the retail flow? This is very nice because it's in a single exchange. Okay, and then thirdly, you see a lot of millennials. They are posting. They can beat. They are making 1,000%, and Warren Buffett is dumb and stuff like that, right? So you can see that hit. Okay, how high this thing will go, don't know lah. Okay, how high this craziness will go, we don't know. But I definitely know that if there's a tradable setup, I will trade. Okay. Any other question or any other sharing that you want to know? Property. Okay, property. Get ready. Okay, get ready. Make sure your your credit is good. Keep cash. Get ready to fire. Okay. When I guess is when they announce Singapore in recession already. Once they announce Singapore in recession already, then you count about 6 months. Okay, that would be a good time. Okay. Or you can look at the top, look at the market top, and then after that, look at the bottom. Okay, then from there. Okay, Nasdaq also the same thing, right? Nasdaq also the same thing. Okay, so it was due to history again. S&P also the same thing. Nasdaq also the same thing. So we talked about Nasdaq also, right? We talked about this before. Okay, Nasdaq also the same thing of the false breakout. Okay. Okay, can you see here? Oh, this one, and then you go to daily. This is a false breakout. Okay, but if you go to in the study, okay, you study, then you you know that it is not new. Okay, it's not new. Okay, so July was the announcement of the subprime in 07. Yes or no? Then after that, Nasdaq break the new high for a few weeks, and then after that, like that. Can see? Okay. So from here, the top until the bottom, another 53%. Okay. Will it affect property stock? Same lah. Everything will be affected lah. Okay. REITs also affected. REITs maybe later part, Singapore REITs maybe later part, we can take a look lah. Okay. So later part, at Capital Mall, later part I can take a look lah. Okay. Capital Mall. But not now. Now is not a good time. Okay. Now is not a good time. Okay. Maybe later part of the year. Okay, can take a look. October time period, I think can take a look. Okay. All displaying the same pattern. Okay, all displaying the same pattern. Can you see? Make a new high like that. All displaying the same pattern. Got it? Or uptrend, downtrend, CCI, all the same. Okay. Can you see Nasdaq also the same thing? Okay, Nasdaq also break new high after the announcement of the bad news, after the announcement of the after the announcement of the subprime, it also broke new high. After broke new high for a few weeks, then after that then correct. Okay, how long this high will go, we don't know. Okay, after Nasdaq break new high, right? This is subprime, this is cut rates. Okay, this is subprime, this is cut rates. After that, how many weeks it go up? Don't know. Do you want to trade this up? I don't want. Okay, got it? That was October is the peak. Okay, but the cut rates was here. The announcement. I think even before that, there will be some news already. Got it? Okay. Any other question? If not, we call it a day already. Please help to like and last but not least, help to do some donation to the poor. Not poor to the people who need money more than us. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Give a like, share this thing, and graduates tomorrow 10:30 we were having webinar. Okay, so then we will cover specific stocks. Okay, what are the stocks to look at? Okay. Okay, if not, then thank you and see you. Bye. Have a good Sunday. Bye.